everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to bring you guys my 80% off haul at Walgreens. Now, they changed it up this year. They decided to do 80% instead of 90%, which they might even surprise us and do 90%. We don't know. It's hard to say. But I'm going to share with you guys what I got. Now, as you guys know, I'm really trying to cut back on a lot of stuff. Like, I was planning on going to several stores this morning. And then I'm like, no, I'm just going to go to one store. There's one store that I go to all the time. But I'm like, okay. So I get there. And, you know, the stuff's marked 80% off. And I'm like, okay, I'm going to get this stuff. And people are saying online, like these groups that I'm in, that my cat's right here, that everything is buy 5, get the 6th one free. And I'm like, okay, sweet. So I tell some people that are shopping in the store, well, I get to the register and she's like, no, that's not true. And then I'm like, okay. So if it's not a big deal. There was one thing that did not ring up on sale at all, but it was something that I also got at the other store. So it's like, if it doesn't ring up, not a big deal. I just don't want it. And then she is like, oh, do you plan on using your points? And I said, no, I'm not going to use my points. And so she completely cancels out the whole thing. Like, if you guys you still need to use your register reward card, you guys. Like, I've had 2 cashiers just this week alone are like, oh, you don't need to use your rewards thing if you guys are not going to pay points. Yes, you do, because it keeps track of your transactions in case something happens, and it also gives you points. Like, you get 10 times every dollar, so you get 10 points for every dollar that you spend. So it does add up. But like at 2 different stores, 2 different cashiers are like, oh, we don't need to scan your card if you're not playing with points. Yes, you do. Paris, seriously, she is standing on this box that I have it. Just sit down. Sit down. Oh my god, she's just so attached to me lately. It's ridiculous. And she can't hear a word I'm saying. So yeah. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up on that. So Paris, will you get off my receipt? Oh my gosh. Okay, so I ended up getting some toys. Well, I got some toys for gifts that we're going to this year. And then I got stuff for like the kids for Easter. And I got stuff for birthday parties. I'm gonna hit this tail. Just stop it, little Paris. Oh my goodness, you guys. Okay. So I ended up finding this, which I was pretty excited about. This is a My Little Pony castle. It's not that big. I mean, as you guys can see in the box, it's pretty much probably the same size as this box. But I think this is kind of cool. This was $19.99. One thing I like about the Walgreens toys is it says peel here. So if you guys are giving this away for a gift or something, the sticker is so easy to peel off that nobody knows what the price you paid for it. Nobody knows. So this was $19.99 and my cat is sitting on my receipt again. So this ends up becoming to be $3.99. I think that's a good price for like a little kid's toy. I really want Charlotte to play with My Little Ponies. I still have My Little Ponies, you know, back from the early 80s. So definitely pretty excited for this. But yeah. Yeah, and it's for ages like 3 and up. So like this is something I might give her, you know, for her birthday. Not this year, but like maybe next year or Christmas next year. I got that. And then Paris is like, I want to sit on your lap. And then I ended up getting these little books. Now I was just trying to find some stuff because I thought it was buy 6 or buy 5 get the 6th one free. But you know what? It's still not a big deal. But these are Light Up Your Dreams. It's a pop-up play and sound book and flashlight. Now this was $6.99. And I got it for $1.39. Like $1.39 for a book and like a little flashlight, and then it rings. I think that's super cute for $1.39. So this was the princess ones. Oh, the flashlight. Oh, you gotta shut that off. And then this is what I kind of wanted for Ben. Ben got a remote control car for Christmas, and he kind of broke it already because he's really rough. So I thought little Tykes, it's a little bit easier on them. So this was originally $19.99. I'm going to peel that sticker. Oh, I'll just leave it on. This was originally $19.99, and I got this for $3.99. So I think $3.99 is a pretty good deal. So I got this. I'm actually gonna give this one to a friend of ours for their son's birthday. His birthday's in April, I think. So we're gonna give that to him for his birthday. I thought that's a pretty good gift. I like shopping for kids, I really do. So got that for a gift. And then I also got one for Ben because there was 2 of them, and I'm like, I'm just gonna give both of them because I just love getting gifts ahead of time. So I got the other one, again, $3.99 for that. So then I got some empty bags in here. So I gotta hide all this stuff before he gets home from school. So we got that. And I did get some other things too, you guys. I didn't go couponing. So again, we're going to another birthday party. I think he was born in February, so we're going to a 1-year-old's birthday party. And I thought, this is kind of cool to get him. So this was $1.39. Yeah, $1.39 for you guys. All you guys do is just push their head down and they roll. So I thought this is a super cute gift. And I ended up getting Charlotte some because Charlotte and Ben can race. So there are 2 different kind of race cars. There was this one, the push and go, and then there was this one. But it's basically the same one, just 2 different colored cars. I'm like, I'm going to get her these anyways. But they still do the same thing. So these again were $1.39. So I got those because you can't go wrong with that. And if I decide I don't want to use one of those up, I can always, you know, give it to somebody who I know needs it. I got another book, again, $1.39 for this. This was Minnie Mouse and Minnie Mouse. Yeah. So pretty much got that. And then I got one more box for you guys, or one more bag. I ended up getting Charlotte a little microphone. I know she's gonna be like, Mom, I want to sing. So I got her like a little Minnie Mouse microphone. It lights up, it has sound effects, and then you can press along to sing along. So I thought this was kind of cute for her. I don't know if I'm gonna give it to her for her birthday. I might give this to her for Christmas next year. So I thought that was a super cute gift. And this was what was this? This was $1.99. $1.99. Like, you cannot go wrong with $1.99 for toys. And then I thought we got kitchen stuff, so I thought this would be a cute gift to give her for Christmas next year, or her for birthday when she turns 2 years old. But it's like a little play kitchen set. There's 15 pieces. I thought these are kind of cool. This was $6.99, I think. Yeah, so I paid $1.39 for this. So that was all the toys that I got. Actually, nope. I ended up getting some walkie-talkies for Ben. I don't know how well these are. I mean, they seem really cheap. So for like the price you got them for $1.39 was $6.99. I thought we'll give them a go. My store had tons of these, so you know they're not the greatest. But I thought these would be kind of a cute little Easter gift to give him. They had princess ones or Spider-Man, so I had to get Spider-Man because he's in this age where I don't want any girl stuff. I don't want to drink out of a pink cup, and I'm like, whatever. And then I finally got one of these brushes. Now, when these were 50% off, I saw people going crazy over them, and I'm like, oh, I don't need them, I don't need them. Well, this was $30, you guys, and it was 80% off, so I got this for $6. I wanted to try it out. A lot of people say they're pretty good. I've tried the Wet n Wild brushes. They're not the greatest quality, but I'm going to try these out. But for $6, you guys, I'm just going to try it anyways. So, ooh, these actually feel really nice. Like, super nice. Oh my gosh. They're not like super nice, but they're so soft. And I really like them. Oh, this is kind of cool. I should have got another one. That's okay. That's okay. You know, I don't need to be a pig. I can always get it next year. But this is kind of nice. I like this. These are really soft. For me, I thought they were going to be cheap, but they're super soft. So definitely go ahead and get that for $6. You can't go wrong. Plus that counts towards beauty. So I got that. So like I said, I always have problems. I only shop at this store when I know stuff's going on clearance because it's not a heavy shopped at store. But really, Paris? Really? Oh, okay. We're just gonna hang on to the cat because she's driving me nuts by knocking everything over. So my grand total was $25.33. I paid for everything. I didn't use any points. I just wanted to pay for it. But I ended up saving $123.56. So I think that was kind of good. Yeah, I kind of cut back on buying a ton of stuff. For a while though, you guys, I was just buying stuff just because I wanted to do a video for it. And I'm like, why am I doing this? Why am I doing this? But this is stuff that I like to have on hand, you know, stuff for the gifts. And Charlotte will soon be getting out of baby stuff, so I can get rid of the baby stuff finally, and we can give her some of the big girl stuff. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.